Man, that's A-Dub. What's going on, everybody? Today, we'll do a little project, changing the headlights out on the '03 Crown Vic, the old PI, the Interceptor. Now you can see these a little foggy and cloudy, so I need to switch them out and stuff. Got me some new ones offline there. Put them LEDs back in it. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, because if you want to change this bulb out on the corner, you need your flathead, not a flathead, but a Phillips, my bad. Because I'm going to go ahead and switch out the corner lights. Put them little LEDs in there, the 194s. Shout out to Exil Beam. So, you will need to, like I say, Phillips to undo that corner on the outside. And you're going to need your flathead or something to lift up your, clamps right here to remove the lights out. And also, you're going to need you a 11 millimeter with a ratcheted extension, because you have to unscrew, undo this here, bolt on the inside right there. I don't know how you can see it, but there we go. Sorry about that. You have to unloosen that to get this to come loose. And you switch your bulbs out, take them to LED or whatever. So yeah, might as well go ahead and change them out. Kind of dull and faded there. Let me knock it out and I'll get back to y'all shortly. Hey, welcome back. Well, as you see, we already took driver's side headlight out. We got the corner marker light out. So like I said, we go change that bulb into a LED. And we already had an LED in there. And basically, like I said, what it is, I use the little 11 millimeter on a screwdriver handle, because it's kind of tight to get in there with a ratchet, even with extension. And you just, undo your bolts right there. And like I say, you undo that Phillips right there on the corner. Switch that out. And then with the headlights, you just lift out your little clampers. This is what holds it in place once you put it back in. Make sure you kind of keep them separate. That way you know which side goes on what. And go get ahead. Knock out the passenger side next. I just wanted to check back in there real quick. Get back to finishing this up and we get back at you. Hey, we back, y'all. Well, finally got the passenger side switched out. We got the new lens in there. Put them LED bulbs on the corner. Got everything latched back down in there. So like I said, make sure you pop your brackets back on here to help keep it in place. And like I said, we got the LEDs and everything plugged back up. We got that one screwed back in. That's this side over here. That passenger side gave us little issues putting it back in. So that's your LEDs on the corner right there. I don't know if you can really pay attention to them. This one was out earlier, but now it's back to working. And now, we can turn them on. See how bright them bad boys are. And these the old ones over here. Make sure you take that little bracket out. It's a little rubber piece that sits inside of there too. So make sure y'all always take that out and everything. But that's how you do the exchange on headlights on the '03 Crown Vic. You need to put a pressure washer on this thing. Get it pressure washed under here, knock all that dirt off.